Hi guys, I'm doing a review of a multifunction robotic auto vacuum cleaner. This is by the brand Cyberbay and this is the main device. This is the robotic cleaner and it comes with this docking station. It attaches to the wall socket and basically it is for charging this, and this is the remote control, and these are the extra accessories with it. So basically it is a Trinity mop with sweep and suction LCD display. It also has a UV, germicidal, anti-fouling, multiple cleaning modes. It's really packed with features. It also has this instruction manual which is very detailed. It's a complete booklet explaining everything from the remote control to the display. Basically it covers everything in this. Here is an LCD screen and these are the 3 touch buttons. This is for UV cleaning, this is for auto mode, and this is the spin mode. And when you turn it around, so you can see this big brush right here. This is the main brush. This one is a floor brush and this is a side brush, and inside you can see this one, like we have an extra one right here. This is a mop pad, and whatever I clean it goes and gets stuck inside, so it's easy to remove it and just dust it off. And it has got an on off button right here, and it has all the sensors over here. These are all the sensors, and here is the UV cleaning system. It will give out UV rays to sterilize. And then you have the remote control. So this is the on button. These are, if you want to move your cleaner manually, you can click on any button and it will go in that direction. And then here you can see you have all the days written down. That's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. So what you can do is that you can, when you switch it on and you click on each button, it will store that you want your cleaner to be cleaning on those particular days. So you can have it all figured out for the whole week. You can set what all days you want this cleaner to clean, and you can set the time so that on that particular day and that particular time it will start by itself. So basically as I said, it is an intelligent robot. It will just do the cleaning all by itself. Then you have this dock button here. The dock button works in such a way that when you have your docking station, the one right here, when it is plugged in and your machine is cleaning and you want it to just go and dock itself, and you click here, when it's somewhere nearby, it will go and detect and dock itself to the docking station. Then you have a full go here. Full go means that it will clean till the machine can stop. So basically it will just clean till all the battery is drained off. And you have a UV also here along with the Wednesday. So when you click on UV, it will give out the UV rays and it will sterilize the area. Now in the listing, I could see that it is written it is not for carpets. Basically this cleans all the kinds of floors, but it did clean my carpet pretty well. In fact, I could not see so many hair which was stuck on my carpet. I could not see it with my naked eye, and my vacuum could not clean that. And when I just started this on my carpet, it cleaned out a bunch of hair. But yeah, the cleaning was difficult because all the hair was stuck inside this and I had to pull it off manually. But that's okay as long as everything is cleaned off. So it is mentioned that it is not for cleaning the carpet, but for me it was an added bonus because it did clean my carpet pretty well. So I'm going to just switch it on and show you. I've pressed the on button and this thing switched on, and you can see you have the time, the day as in it shows the number of which day it is, as in it's 6 means it's Friday. And then here is the battery, and I'm just going to show you that. First I'll just try this manually. When I click the forward button, it'll start moving forward. So that was what it was manually, and then when I click on this, it goes into a spin mode. So it spins in one direction. And this one is an auto mode, so when I click here, it will clean the place automatically. I will give you a demo for that in some time. So basically that's all, and I'll just show you how it cleans up my carpet. And definitely it cleans up all kinds of wooden floor, ceramic floor, tile floor, any kind of floors, and it's an amazing product. The voltage is pretty good. It's only 14.4 volts, so it is not going to harm your pets or your kids at home, and it does not make too much noise. It's definitely very less noise than my vacuum cleaner, and you can get all the details in this instruction manual. It has everything inside this to set it up, and that's about it. I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching.